Hello everyone, welcome back to Cast Iron Skillet Kitchen. I'm Chef John.
I'm Rebecca.
Thank you for choosing our channel to either watch our reviews or our cooking.
We're excited to share this one with you today, so
Welcome back. Going to cook on the Monument Grill again. We're wanting some steaks this time. We went and got us some T-bones because they didn't have no ribeyes. You believe that? None. Zero. Nada.
Zilch even.
Zilch. None. So I'm going to take this one and I'm going to season it myself, and Rebecca's going to season hers. We like them cooked different, and we like them seasoned. Black and seasoned. Look for some Old Bay black and seasoned. I saw that on Booger US 500 show, and I couldn't find any, but I'll find it. Don't you worry, Booger, I'll find it. So here's my steak. I'm not even going to trim it because all that will render down. Get it a good coating. All right, there's mine. Rebecca's going to do hers.
My steak comes down into a nice triangle shape. I'm going to take these shears and I'm going to cut through this fat because I see some gristle running through there. And since I like my steak well done, I'm going to cut this so that it doesn't shrink up the meat too much. I'm going to use some Capitol Hill seasoning by Savory Spice. Got it on Amazon. It's got a good price, and my gosh, this flavor is out of this world. It's shallot based, and it has some dill, a little bit of salt in it. There we go. There we go.
Looks like a Christmas tree.
It's beautiful. We're gonna let them rest. I'm gonna make a compound butter, and this is gonna be delicious on the steaks that Chef John's gonna be cooking on our new Monument Grill later today. It'll also be great to baste things with as they come off. You don't wanna cook the butter on the grill because it could burn and leave that bitter, acrid taste. So I'm going to use fresh shallot. I've already started slicing this. And black garlic. I don't know if you've ever cooked with it or heard of it, but it is garlic that has been fermented. I'm just going to get a very fine mince on this. See, that's like it's kind of like a gumdrop consistency to it. These whole things, they take about 6 to 8 weeks to ferment. There's lots of videos out there on how to do it yourself. I haven't made it myself because I've got a good source at a really good price. I don't see the need to go spending that kind of money, especially right now, to do it yourself to get that kind of about a quarter cup of room temperature butter. Just gonna add this in here and give it all a good stir. You can use a mixer for it if you've got a bigger quantity.
Salted or unsalted
This
butter?
is unsalted butter. I figure the steaks that we're going to put this on is going to have some salt on it, and we don't need excess salt in our lives.
This blackening seasoning back on there. And then we're going to use some knockoff Old Bay seasoning. We're just going to give these a mix up. Again, we'll put that compound butter on these. Maybe baste them with it, definitely afterwards. We're having the shrimp kebabs. And if Rebecca could come in real close on this one, we got some fruit kebabs. So we got peaches, oranges, limes, lemons, pineapple. I think that's it, right? I've got these 3 burners on right here. 1, 2, 3. I got the grates out on the 2 grates on this side are out, so I got the 2 grates here. I've got a thermometer here up front on the grates. So I'm going between 353 to 354, pretty good heat. I've got it on the upper front, so I know it's a little bit hotter in the back. I've got these set at different locations until I finally got to the temperature I needed. I got cherry wood in the smoke box. I'm gonna go ahead and set that in there. I got hers right at the thermometer there. So we're gonna go ahead and let hers go for a while. Let mine just sit out here and rest. All right guys, I've been able to keep it around 250. I'm gonna take Rebecca's and put it on the upper rack, more closer to the heat, and let it go ahead and get done. Again, hers is gonna have to be well done. When we get hers well done, we'll get mine in there. Actually, I'm gonna go ahead and put mine in there along with hers. Hers is gonna cook real fast over there. And hers smells delicious. Put mine in there with the bone side facing that way. Mine's just over 100. We're gonna go ahead and stick it up here. We're gonna do the reverse sears. All right, we're gonna lay Rebecca's down on the sear box. Look at that color on there. Hers is done 170 to 175, the way she likes it. Mine's got a flat surface, touching real good. We got mine's done, Rebecca's is done. Let's look at that side. Beautiful. Rebecca just happened to come out here. She's going to take these inside and let them rest. Okay, guys, we finished. It's time for a taste test. Man, these are looking good.
Yes, indeed. Just the way I like it.
Mine's got some heat to it from the blackened seasoning.
And that garlic butter should have added a little bit of sweetness.
No, pretty good.
Well, it helps counterbalance.
That's what the fruits are there for.
Yep.
These shrimps, perfectly cooked.
Delicious, honey.
You can cut me the breadstick, a little charred orange.
Well, I tell you what, that Monument Grill can't be beat. That thing cooks. Well, he cooks
They did a
on
good
it.
job.
It's a good tool for a good chef.
Very good job. Once I found my heat range, it pretty much kept it. Now Rebecca had to boost her heat up, her cook up some. So I moved hers up and over a little bit, but not really too far, and let it finish off. And the same time I put mine on there, and they were ready to go at the same time. We had hers at one. He's wanting to eat. I got hers at almost 158, 55, 155, 158. By the time I seared it, it was 175. So that's exactly where she likes it. Delicious.
It is.
All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed this. Thank you, Monument. It did another outstanding job. Rico is affirming that. So, first time here, please subscribe. Ring that bell to get all of our notifications.
Share this video everywhere. Give us a thumbs up. Again. Leave us some comments. And most important,
I'll come back.
and go feed a dog.
Go feed them damn dogs. Dang.